Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Grand Theft Auto IV error code 225. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when players try to launch the game after installing the animated weapons mod. The error specifically shows up after placing the weapons animation .asi script into the plugins folder. According to our research, the error may happen because of system conflicts with the mod script, Windows Defender interference, or an outdated game or system firmware. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with your network. Once both are restarted, launch the game again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if Windows Defender has flagged the weapons animation file. If yes, restore the file from quarantine. After restoring it, check for the error again. If the error persists, check if you need to update the game. Simply go to your game launcher or platform and look for any available updates for GTA 4. Install the updates if available and check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then check if your device firmware needs any updates. Simply access your system settings and look for system or firmware updates and install them if available. Once done, check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.